April 2nd, 2025, President Trump declared it Liberation Day. But did America really gain freedom? Or did this mark the beginning of a new economic storm? Today, we dive deep into what this means for the U.S. economy, with data, expert insights, and bold predictions. On Liberation Day, Trump launched one of the boldest trade moves in U.S. history: new tariffs, a minimum of 10% on over 60 countries. According to Yale's Budget Lab, this pushed America's average tariff rate to 22.5%, the highest since 1909. The result? Prices surged by 2.3%. The average household losing $3,800 per year, all from just one announcement. By February 2025, inflation sat at 2.8%, core inflation 3.1%. But after Liberation Day, expectations shifted. Goldman Sachs predicts core PCE to hit 3% by year-end. Even the Fed raised its own inflation projections. Unemployment? It's now at 4.1%, expected to rise to 4.4% by year's end. Meanwhile, consumer sentiment fell to 92.9 in March. That's a 12-year low. Americans are worried about layoffs, rising prices, and shrinking paychecks. According to Yale's estimates, the April 2nd tariffs alone will cut 2025 GDP growth by 0.5 percentage points. Factor in all tariffs from this year, we're looking at a 0.9% hit to the economy. That's a policy-induced slowdown. And the Fed? They kept rates steady in March, between 4.25 and 4.50%. But now, they're reconsidering. Rate cuts may be delayed. Why? Because tariffs are refueling inflation. The Fed is walking a tightrope between controlling prices and avoiding recession. Liberation Day didn't just shake America, it rattled the world. China, Mexico, and other trade partners are rethinking supply chains. Middle East tensions pushing energy prices higher. Global inflation is now linked to Washington's decisions. So, what should investors do? BlackRock, focus on high-quality, large-cap companies. Vanguard, lean into sectors less exposed to interest rates. LPL Research, consider real assets and inflation-protected securities. Diversification isn't just smart anymore, it's survival. Liberation Day. To some, a patriotic stand. To others, a costly gamble. But one thing is clear, in 2025, policy moves markets fast. What does Liberation Day mean to you? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.